Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and my kitchen. I am Mama Double, and yes, today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious, healthy, nutritious beef salad you are seeing here. You are going to learn a lot from it and you are going to love it. Don't go nowhere. Watch this video till the end. Yes, welcome back. As you all can see, I have everything ready here that I'm going to use to make this salad. Don't go nowhere. Make sure you watch this video till the end. I have my beef here that I've already washed and sliced. I've cut it in smaller pieces. I have my sliced tomatoes as well. You can use any tomatoes of your choice. I have my mixed olive, my black and green olives. Okay, you can use whichever one you have, is fine. I have my olive oil as well. This is also very important for the salad. I have my corn, also known as maize, already washed and clean. Okay, so I also have my lemon, like half lemon here as well. I'm going to be needing the juice. I need the juice for the salad. Okay guys, yes, and as you can see in here is my cucumber and my carrot. I've already sliced it and prepare that also. Okay, so yes guys, let's get to the next part. What I'm going to do now is season the meat, the beef. Okay, I'm going to use my minced spices and my black pepper to spice the beef, okay, to marinate the beef. Yes, so guys, just watch this video, watch it properly, and it is also very easy to prepare. Okay, I also added a little amount of salt, garlic powder as well. Okay, so as you can see, after putting all those spices, I have to turn it with my spoon, with my fork, sorry. I have to turn it and then make sure that everything marinates together. Okay, yes, so now I'm going to start frying. You can fry it instantly or also let it to marinate for like some minutes or an hour, whichever one is fine. So I added my olive oil to the pan, and now I'm just going to let the pan hot a bit, and then I'm going to add my meat to it and let it cook or let it fry. Yeah, and it is also very important to do it like this, the way I'm doing it. Like, you have to spread it on the pan so that everything, like the beef, will cook properly. Okay guys, and yes, because I cut this beef in smaller pieces, it is easy to cook. It gets cooked easily. Okay, yes, so that's it. As you can see, I added more spices, like a little bit more spices and black pepper to the meat as well, because I want it to have that good taste. Okay, so that later on when it comes in the salad, it will not be too how will I say, like it will taste good. Yes, so yes, that's it guys. As you can see, my beef is ready, is cooked. Okay, so I just took it aside. I put it on a tissue paper so that it will dry off the oil. So now I'm going to make the salad dressing. I'm going to squeeze my lemon juice, and after squeezing the lemon juice, I'm going to add the other stuff to it. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to add my olive oil to it. You have to measure the olive oil so that it won't be too much or too less. Okay, and after that, I added a little amount of salt to it, and also my black pepper. Okay, it is very important to add black pepper to it. As for me, I like adding black pepper to my salad, but you can decide to take it out, like it is optional. Okay, it's not a must. So after doing that, I'm going to add my other stuff to the bowl. Now I'm going to add my my olives, sorry, not olive oil, my olives. I'm going to add also my maize, also known as corn. Okay, and after that, I'm going to add my tomatoes as well. Look at that guys, the color, everything is so looking beautiful. I'm also going to add my fried beef too, and after that, I'm going to add the dressing. Okay, the lemon juice dressing. Yes, so after doing that, I'm going to show you how beautiful this looks. I also added a little amount of oil, of olive oil, to the bowl, okay? Yes, because I want it to be a little bit oily. I like my salad to have a little oil in it. So guys, just take a look at this. Like I told you before, this recipe is super easy to prepare, and it is very healthy and nutritious. Okay, you can eat this in the evening for dinner or for lunch. Okay, so as you can see, I finished preparing my beef salad. That's how to prepare it, and this is how beautiful the outcome looks like. Okay, yes guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video from the start till the end, and please do not forget to subscribe. Also like my video, help me to share it, comment as well, and share it with your friends, your family, your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I really appreciate all your effort, your support as well. Thank you so much, and I'm going to say bye for now and see you in my next video. And make sure you eat salad often, okay? Mix it with your meat, okay? All right, bye.